I cannot but to make a remark that according to me, this budget speech looks like a self-promotion and projection document of the Chief Minister. So I had the privilege of being the member in this August House since 2008 till 2018 and again from 2023. So this is the first time that I can notice the various schemes that precedes with the word CM or the Chief Minister, like the CM Farm, CM Elevate, CM Assure, CM Skills Mission, CM Urban Revitalization Scheme, CM SDF, CM Rural Connectivity Program, CM Solar Mission, CM Safe Motherhood Schemes, CM Connect, CM Care, CM Scholarship Scheme, which has just recently launched as a flagship program, CM's Housing Schemes Assistance Program, CM's Solar Mission, and so many schemes that precede with the word CM. So during the 10 years' time as an MLA, we have only one scheme that precedes with the word Chief Minister, and that is the CMSRDF, Chief Minister Special Rural Development Fund. And under this scheme, sir, as an MLA, we have had the opportunity to get various type of schemes every year. For 10 continuous years, we never fail to get the schemes under this CMSRDF. So, however, sir, today I would like to inform this, bring to the notice of this August House that though we have so many schemes that precedes with CM, till today we are yet to get schemes under CMSDF, though we have submitted our proposal to the government. Therefore, sir, when I heard the observation of our fellow respected member of this House that the schemes which are announced by the government are inclusive, but in this case, sir, I find that this scheme, the implementation of the scheme is quite selective, and it seems that this government, they are trying to introduce these schemes in such a way to deprive the rights of a duly elected representative. And so I feel sad that as an elected representative of the people of Nongkrem constituency, we are being bypassed in the implementation of various schemes. When it comes to CMSDF, we are yet to receive sanction from the government right from 23, 24, 24, 25, and I'm still awaiting for the CMO office to approve the scheme. And when it comes to CM housing schemes, it seems that all these schemes are being designed, to provide assistance only to people that are either related or connected with the party in power. So I feel this is an insult to the electorates of Nongkrem constituency who have elected us to this House with the expectation that we will be able to implement various schemes under the government of Meghalaya. So therefore, sir, I don't know what to say, whether the decision of the government to have various schemes that precedes with the word Chief Minister is to undermine those constituencies that are not represented by the party in power. But I think they should not forget that we are duly elected by the people of the constituency. So, which is why I feel that the announcement of various schemes that precede with the word Chief Minister is only to ensure that all the schemes revolves around the Chief Minister, and anyone who can avail these schemes will have to be either related or connected with party in power. So, and we may consider that this may be an attempt to abuse and misuse power. So, I would also like to bring to the notice of this August House that as far as the allocation of funds to the KHEDC, I was informed that in the district budget, the state government did not allot any fund to the KHEDC on the ground that a fund has already been used or spent for conducting district council election. But that was not the case in JHEDC. This is the information that we have received. So may I get the clarification from the Honorable Chief Minister on this issue. So I would also like to express in a very categorical term that as responsible member of this August House and on behalf of the Voice of the People Party, we are not against the spending of the government. We are not against borrowing because we know that is part of financial management in the state. But our concern is when there is too much dependency on central funds and loan that may put the state in danger in the years to come. So as I have said, that the decision of the government to appoint chairman, consultants is an avoidable exercise where the government can avoid, as we had discussed during the question also, that the government choose to pay to these consultants lakhs and lakhs of rupees. And I fail to understand why the government cannot answer to the question when we raise about the amount that the government is spent on the consultants. We have asked question on the RTI, the government is not giving us an exact amount how much they have spent on the consultants. But when we discuss with those who are working under these consultants, we were told that consultants, they are receiving huge salary, and whereas our boys who are working under them are getting a very small amount of payment. And we were also told that most of the time these consultants appointed by the government, they are sitting in one room and giving instruction only to those local boys to work and struggle for any project. And the funny thing is that we were even told that in most of the times you will find that these consultants appointed by the government, they spend most of the time in playing PUBG, sir. So I think this is not the right way, sir, to engage people who depend very much on the local and enjoy all the credit. In fact, I had asked this question during the question of whether government is also contemplating or have appointed consultants in different government departments. If that is the case, if consultants are to be appointed in every government department, then what is the use of having engineers, of having IAS officers, MCS officers, when they cannot exercise their duty? And I was told that in some of the departments where consultants are appointed, officers are rendered jobless. And these officers and these consultants, I mean to say, sir, they don't even pay respect to those officers in those departments because they feel that they have a direct connect with this Chief Minister office. So this undermines, and this has really, affected the officers in those regular departments. So, sir, since I know that I will not be having much time to raise this issue, but I would like to reiterate our stance, that we believe that an old proverb is still applying till today, sir, where we need to cut the coat according to the size of the cloth, which means that the government should not feel happy because they can spend more with a huge dependency on loan taken from the open market and the support that we are getting from the government of India. It is time for the government to concentrate generating revenue, plugging the leakages, ensure that no more transportation of coal illegally will take place. As we are discussed, we know that many trucks are plying throughout the states, transporting illegally the coal from our state. The time will come that resources will be depleted and the state will be left in a very disastrous situation, sir. So with these few words, sir, I resume my seat.